For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of mediocre cameras that fail to capture your vision? Look no further than my review of the Canon EOS R10. It's not what I expected, but here's what surprised me. Despite its relatively low price point, this camera packs some impressive features that set it apart from its competitors. Therefore, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let me start by saying that as a seasoned photographer, I was blown away by the R10's 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. It may not be full frame, but it delivers stunning images with incredible detail and clarity. But in today's market, can we really expect anything less from a camera in this price range? One of the standout features of the R10 is its ability to shoot at an impressive 23 frames per second, perfect for capturing those fast-paced action shots that will leave your friends speechless. However, I was surprised to find that the autofocus wasn't quite as snappy as I had hoped. Now, let's talk about ergonomics. The R10 feels solid in the hand with a comfortable grip and intuitive controls. But I have to say, I found myself getting frustrated with the lack of customization options for the camera's settings. After all, isn't that what makes it worth splurging on? But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you some real-world footage to see how it performs in practice. /N video clip of footage shot with R10 plays here. As we can see, the image quality is superb. The colors are rich and vibrant, and the details are crisp and clear. But what really caught my attention was the camera's ability to capture a wide dynamic range. Therefore, if you're looking for a camera that can handle challenging lighting conditions, the R10 might just be your best bet. However, I have to say there were some issues with noise in certain shots, especially when shooting in low light. Therefore, it's essential to use a tripod or other stabilizing device to ensure smooth footage. Now let's talk about connectivity options. The R10 features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy transfer of files between devices. But I have to say, the menu system can be a bit clunky at times. After all, who wants to spend their precious time navigating through endless menus? But don't worry, it's not all bad news. Let me show you some more features that might just tip the scales in favor of this camera. /N video clip of footage shot with R10 plays here. As we can see, the R10 has a built-in vari-angle touchscreen LCD perfect for composing shots from unique angles. But what really impressed me was the camera's ability to record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is it worth the investment? My answer is simple. If you're a serious photographer looking to take your skills to the next level, then yes, absolutely. But for casual users or those on a tight budget, there are better options out there. But here's the thing. Despite its flaws, I genuinely believe that the Canon EOS R10 has something special to offer. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new camera and want something that can deliver top-notch results, then this might be worth considering. In conclusion, while it may not be perfect, the Canon EOS R10 is an excellent choice for photographers who want a solid, reliable camera without breaking the bank. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on one today.